Here's something all miners or mine owners should think about. All the wealth needed to make your wildest dreams come true are in the ground. All you have to do is extract that wealth and then use it properly. Hello, I'm Sandy Wadsworth, and this is a 1027 Processing Company presentation. Our family is committed to helping miners create wealth from good ground rich in gold and other precious metals. This presentation is designed to give you some useful information that can be used to help you create a mine success. Most of the miners I know are not succeeding. Instead, they're struggling. As such, they've been held back from prospering, and this is a major injustice, one we're on a mission to correct. If you own a mine that has ground rich in precious metals, and if you're not producing significant profits at today's prices, then ask yourself these questions. Am I doing what is required to make this mine a success? Do I need a better plan? If you have good ground rich in precious metals, there is a pathway to significant mine profits. So if you want to recover these profits, you must locate that path and then follow it step by step. To do this, you need advisors that have the skills that you are missing, and these advisors need to be interested in your success. In most cases, we can help miners come up with the plan needed to recover gold and other precious metals from their mine projects. Many times we have the special skills and special tools that they need to create a mine success. Now, we're not a banker, we're not a geologist, and we're not miners. But we know a thing or two about the extraction process and how to build some affordable equipment to get the job done. Our skills are in developing extraction processes and building mine equipment. We make affordable equipment that, if used properly, can increase precious metal recovery. We also develop special extraction processes that can be used to recover more values per ton of ore. However, there's a right way and a wrong way to use our equipment, and this is something miners need to understand. Each mineral deposit is different in its makeup. Because of this, sometimes processing keys are needed to enable better recoveries. Sometimes one simple processing key can change your precious metal recovery from a little to a lot. Let me give you two examples. First example, in 2016, we're working on a project in Jalisco where we were recovering about 4 grams of gold per ton with a pilot plant. Then with one simple change that cost about 35 pesos per ton, our recovery jumped to 149 grams of gold per ton. Now, in both recoveries, the 4 grams of gold per ton and the 149 grams of gold per ton, the very same equipment was used. What changed was how we used that equipment. The point here is that there's a right and wrong way to use our 2016 pilot plant. On the Jalisco project, we did not take shortcuts. Instead, we took the time to complete a processing study, whereas with this study, our gold recovery jumped from 4 grams of gold per ton to 149 grams of gold per ton. Now, the second example. On a project in Chihuahua, we worked with a mineral deposit that assayed for about 30 grams of gold per ton. This time we assumed this would be a simple project, so we took a major shortcut to save money. We didn't do a processing study before we built a processing plant. We started mining and we stockpiled the ore. We built a nice processing plant. However, the plant recovered only 1.5 grams of gold per ton. After we shut the project down, we learned of a pretreatment that we could have used that would have enabled us to recover up to 25 grams of gold per ton. The problem with this ore mineral was that it contained minerals that blocked the recovery of gold, whereas a simple pretreatment offset the problem and enabled the gold to be recovered. The point here is we would have been profitable if we had studied the minerals before we built our processing plant. The lessons to be learned from this presentation are: 1. There's a pathway to create a mine success, and you need to locate that pathway. 2. The same equipment can make your project a success, or it can make that project a failure. Success or failure will depend on how you use that equipment. So if you're a small miner and want to succeed, then learn from us. Take the time to learn about the pathway to your wealth. Get the advice needed to locate that pathway. As 1027 Processing Company is concerned, we're not bankers, we're not geologists, we're not even miners. But we know a thing or two about the extraction process and how to build some affordable equipment to get the job done. Let me close with these last questions. Is it time for you to shine and start recovering significant wealth from your ground? Is it time for you to make some dreams come true? Maybe we can help. If so, you can contact us at 1027processingco@gmail.com. That's 1027processingco@gmail.com.